to the ball game. Ayan, isa na naman kapalabalabik na laban ng ating masasaksihan dito sa Barangay West Crame para sa ating friendship game. Morning. Ayan, parang Sunday Club or Morning Club dito sa West Crame. This is the battle between the team BBC versus the team San Juan Official. Ayan, dito muna tayo sa team BBC. Sa pangunguna yan nila Kagawad, correction, Coach Larus Cain, at then kila Idol Kenneth Imata. Ayan, nakita ko na siya kanina dito para sa team BBC of the Green Team. Ayan, kasama rin pala natin si former Kagawad and Coach Owie Larus Cain para sa team BBC. Siyempre, para sa team SJ Officials or team San Juan Officials. Ayan, kasama natin sila Kapa and Kagawad, you know. Kagawad and former Councilor Ariel Atad para sa first five. Si Kap Binal, Kagawad Agul, ayan, si Sir Lorenzo. E syempre, sa panguna yan nila Kagawad Bong Imata. Sama natin dun sa second five muna. And Sir Serrano. Alright, let's the battle begin. First ball para sa BBC. Larus Cain for 3. Oh good. Rebound ng team SJ Official. Ortega. Kagawad Ortega, no good. Rebound. And out of bounds. First field goal para sa San Juan Official. Number 13, pass number 21. Bounce pass, pull up jumper, in and out. Rebound by Kagawad Ariel. Ariel and gets the contact, may foul. Jersey number 9. That's Coach Larus Cain. Kagawad Ortega, reverse layup. No good. Rebound ng team BBC. Larus Cain, pass to number 8. Back to Larus Cain. Para ball movement. Number 11, pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Kap Binal. Number 14, pass to Kap. Oy, rebound. Esquera Kap, no good. Rebound kay Kagawad Ariel. Number 14. For Kagawad Agul. Back to number 14. 4-3. Yes, para sa 3. By Sir Flores. Number 8 using the glass. Missed. Rebound by Kap Esquera. Bounce pass. Number 18. Pass to Kap Ariel, Kap Esquera for 3, no good. Number 21. Pass to Coach Laruscain. Cross-court pass. Uy, wala pa rin. Rebound by Kagawad Ariel Atad. Official score is 6-0 according sa ating official. Pass to Cap Dagul or Kagawad Dagul. Ortega. Kagawad Ariel. Provo moment. Esguera. Cap Esguera for 3. Miss. Rebound by number 8. Ayan na. Number 9. Uy. To number 13. Kick out. Laruscain, coach. Bounce pass. Reverse layup. No good. Rebound by Kagawad Ariel. Atad. May taka na bola. Pass to Cap Binal. Pop to Cap Dagul. Cap Binal. Cap Esguera. Esguera. Esguera, rather. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation for Team San Juan officials or SJ official. Laruscain. Oh, steal by number 14. Number 14, nagmamadali. What an extra pass. Kagawad Ariel Atad. With a shot and basket is good. Laruscain. Marquez or Vasquez. Number 11. Back to Vasquez. Vasquez. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound. Number 8. Nabitawan. No good. Rebound by number 13. Running shot. Wala. Rebound by Kagawad Ariel. At nagmamadali 2 against 2 to number 14. Catch and shoot. Using the glass and score. Timeout. Team BBC. The official score is 10-0. 10-point lead para sa Team BBC. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Team BBC for this timeout. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Team BBC. Time remaining 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Number 8 to number 9. Bad pass. Same ball. Laruscain. Pass number 21. A running shot. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8. In and out. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 14. Ayan na. Pinasok na rin si Kagawad. Bong Imata. Pasok Kagawad. Bong from the elbow 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. 3 against 3. Number 8. Idiscarte. Harapin ang depensa ni Cap Esguera. Oh, bad pass. Steal by number 14. Number 14, dire-diretso. 2 against 2. Diretso with a layup. No good. Rebound by number 29. Pass number 9. Laruscain. Dire-diretso. No good. Rebound. Nakuha pa rin ang BBC. Number 11. Running shot. Yes, sir. And the first field goal para kay number 11 ng Team BBC. 10-2 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin dito ang Teams SJ officials. Number 14 at the post. Kagawad Ortega, Dagul. Ayan na. Running shot. Pasa pala yun. With the wrong man. Miscommunication para sa Team SJ. Ayan na, si Cap Kagawad and head coach, former Kagawad. Laruska in, Owie. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by Kagawad Bong. Kagawad Bong nagmamadali. Pass to number 32 with a steal. Change direction. Umatake using the glass and score. Ayan na, humahabol na Team BBC with a 10-4. Cap Sequeira, may tahan na bola. Cap Sequeira, top of the key, 4-3, in and out, rebound. Makakuha dito ni Kagawad Dagul. Kagawad Dagul with a put-up jumper, basket yan. Para kay Kagawad Dagul Ortega. Kagawad. Pass to Kagawad, Laruska in. Number 18, 4-3, yes sir. By Abadilla, knocks it down, 3-point shot for Team BBC. 12-7. Kagawad Bong, pass to Cap Sequeira. Pass to Cap Binal. To Cap Sequeira. Sequeira didiscarte, change direction. Ooh, there's a foul. Time out. Team San Juan or Team SJ officials with official score 12-7 in favor of the Team SJ officials. Yan natin ang kanilang huddle for this timeout. Time remaining po natin 2 minutes and 48 seconds para sa ating first period. Sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout po, comment down below naman po at sisigapin natin mabasa po yan. Ayan. Magandang umaga. Happy blessed Sunday everyone. Sa mga nanonood na ating live, I hope you enjoy our live game. Kagawad na goal. In and out. Rebound. Makakuha rito. Ayan na. Number 11. Short. What a save. Pero nakita yun ating official. (12-7) in favor pa rin sa Team SJ officials. Kagawad Bong Imata, box 2. Kagawad Ariel, pass to Kagawad Bong, 4-3. No good, rebound. Ayun na, si Patricio, pinasok na rin. Number 37, pass to number 18, up and under, and one. Basket count, may kasama pang foul para kay Abadilla. Bonus shot for a 3-point play for Abadilla. Basket yan, babasa dalawa ang lamang ng Team SJ. Last 2 minutes sa ating laban ng first period. Cap Sequeira, Kagawad Ariel, spin. Oh, nalo steal for Team BBC. Oopsie, bad pass. Kosing. Shut up. Oh, Cap Binal, or sorry, that's Kagawad Patricio. Pinasok na rin ang first field goal para kay Kagawad Patricio. Oh, para kay Salapan. Number 18 setting on the play. Number 13 running shot, miss. Rebound by Kagawad Patricio. Ayan na, Kagawad Ariel. What an extra pass. Kagawad Ariel, bow. There's a block. Serrano, pass to Cap Sequeira, 4-3, miss. Rebound ng Team BBC. Kagawad, binigay. Abadilla from the corner, no good. Rebound by Kagawad Patricio. Gal Patricio, dire-diretso. Gal Patricio, big tank for 2, no good. Out of bounds, last touch. Bola rito ng Team BBC. Former Kagawad, Larus Cain, last 40 seconds. Last 35. 4-3, no good. Rebound by Kagawad Ariel. Nagmamadali, 3 against 1. Kagawad Ariel, drop pass to Serrano. Serrano, short. Number 8 with a putback. For Cap Sequeira. Last 12 seconds. 10, 9. Oh, steal! Para kay Serrano. 5, 4. Cap Sequeira for 3. Short. And that's the end of our first period. Official score 16-10 in favor of the Team SJ officials. Ayan, lamang ang mga nakapula ng 6. Yan naman natin huddle dito ng Team BBC. Sa pangunayan ni Kagawad Larus Cain. Oy. Red ball. Second quarter, let's go. Kagawad Bong Imata. Pass to sa number 14. Cross-court pass, Kagawad Bong. Pass to Kagawad Patricio. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound by number 11. Ayan natin BBC, nagmamadali. Number 37, spin. Using the board, wala. Rebound by Kagawad Bong Imata. Kagawad Bong. Pass to Ariel. Kagawad, Ariel, and out of bound. Last touch, same ball. Kagawad Patricio to Cap Binal. Pass to Kagawad Patricio. Kagawad Patricio looking for his teammate. Pinasa kay Kagawad Ariel Atad with a reverse layup. Basket is good. 18-10. Favor pa rin sa Team SJ officials. Abadilla looking for his teammate. Setting on the play. Pass to number 11. Drop pass to number 14. Oh, correction, that's number 8. Babasaw 6 ang labang ng Team SJ. Kagawad Bong. Step back 3. In and out. Rebound. Makuha number 21. Pass number 18. 18 ang pamadali. Bounce pass. Uy! In and out, rebound by Kagawad Ariel. Pass to Kagawad Bong. Back to Kagawad Ariel. Kagawad Ariel didiskarte. What an extra pass. Kagawad Patricio with an easy 2 points. What a nice connection there para kay Kagawad Ariel Atad to Kagawad Patricio. 20-12. Balik sa 8 ang lamang. Abadilla top of the key for 3. In and out, rebound. Number 11 and out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito, mapupunta sa Team BBC. Bounce pass number 11. Pass number 18. Abadilla for 3. Short. Rebound by Cap Binal. Pass to Cap Sequeira. Cap Sequeira didiskarte. Sequeira didiskarte derecho and gets the contact. May foul ang tinawag for Cap Sequeira. On the free throw area, number 8, Cap Sequeira. First shot, wala. Second shot, basket for Cap Sequeira. 7 minutes and 55 seconds remaining. Coach Laruscain, pass to number 8, running shot, miss. Rebound by Kagawad Bong Imata. Kagawad Bong bounce pass, steal by number 11. Number 11, binigay to number 13, pull up jumper, miss. Rebound by Kagawad Patricio. Cap Sequeira, pass to Cap Bong Imata with the spin, no good. Rebound by Kagawad Bong Patricio. Kagawad Patricio, kick out to Cap Sequeira for 3, miss. Rebound, number 13. Laruscain, back to number 13. Out that pass to number 8, binigay sa corner. Abadilla, uy. Kick ball. Bola rito ng Team BBC. Kagawad Laruscain. Or sorry, that's Coach Laruscain. Number 14, 43, wala. Rebound by Cap. Steal by Laruscain. Bigay, number 8, 13, miss. Rebound by Cap Binal. Pass to Kagawad Patricio. 3 against 2. Kagawad Patricio to number 14. Steal by number 8. To Laruscain, binigay, number 13, catch and shoot, basket, yan. 21-14, in favor pa rin sa team SJ. Cap Sequeira, pass to number 14, top of the key for 3, in and out. Iba ka pa Abadilla. Pass to Coach Laruscain, umatake, but there's the contact. Last touch pala yun. Substitution. Kagawad the goal coming in for Cap Binal. Time remaining 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Pull up jumper, miss. Rebound. Ay na si Kagawad Bong. Pass to Kagawad Patricio. Kagawad Patricio, pass to Kagawad Bong. And out of bound. Last touch. Same ball. Kagawad Bong for was pass. Kagawad Bong Patricio to number 14, wala. Ayun natin BBC. Laruscain to number 13, catch and shoot, basket. 16-21 ang Kagawad Patricio. Behind the back, Kagawad Bong from elbow, wide open shot. Yes, sir. For Kagawad Bong Imata. And a timeout dito ang Team BBC with official score at 24-16 in favor of the Team SJ official. Tingnan naman natin dito ang huddle ng Team BBC. Shoutout muna tayo kay Miss Joy Cruz Laruscain. Ayan, shoutout po sa pinaka-poging player ng BBC wearing jersey number 9. Ayan ito ang kanyang hobby na si Sir Coach Laruscain. And happy viewing po, Ma'am Joy Cruz Laruscain. Shoutout niya ang pinaka-poging player ng BBC wearing jersey number 9. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ayan, tayo ng dog bola. Steal, outlet pass, Cap Sequeira for 3, miss, rebound. Ayan na, si number 9 wearing Sir Laruscain, pull up jumper, wala. Rebound ni Kagawad Ariel, pass to Serrano, block by, ayan na, pinapa-shoutout to the wearing jersey number 9. Coach Laruscain. And happy viewing po. Para single block there para kay Laruscain. Jersey number 9. Di daw pwede yun, sabi ni Coach. Sequeira, pass to Kagawad Ariel. Binigay kay Serrano. Serrano Bounce pass to Kagawad Dagul. Dagul, basket for Kagawad Dagul. Ortega. 26-16, balik sa 10 ang lamang. Ayan na, nakalusot ang Team BBC wearing jersey number 8. 26-18. Lamang pa rin ang mga nakapula. Kagawad Patricio de Discarte. Kick out to Serrano. Mas pass to Kagawad Patricio. Bad pass. Steal by Laruscain. Laruscain, coach. Pass to number 8. Kick ball. Kick ball muna dito si Cap Patricio. Time remaining 3 minutes, 4 minutes and 18 seconds. Bola rito ng mga team green. Oh, another steal. Kagawad Ariel all the way. Akin na to. Sabi ni Kagawad Ariel Atad. Ayun na. Laruscain, pass number 13, binigay sa kanilang big man. Basket yan for Abadilla. That's number 21. Mabasa ka nga po dito, sorry po. 28-20, babasa 8 ang lamang ng Team SJ officials. Serrano, hand off to Kagawad Ariel, pass to Cap Sequera for 3, yes, para sa 3 by Cap Sequera. 31-20. Coach Laruscain with a strong drive and 1. Basket count at may sagot ang Team BBC doon. With the end 1 para kay Laruscain. Wearing jersey number 9. Ball shot, no good. Rebound by Kagawad Dagul. Pass to Serrano. Office of the Counselor Makimatay. Kagawad. Oh, what a 3-point shot for Kagawad Dagul. Ortega. And a call a timeout dito ang Team BBC. Grabe naman yun. Si Kagawad Dagul. Ortega, naka 3 points. Ha? Sorry. Kala ko tawag mo, sorry. Alright, time remaining 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Shoutout muna tayo. Pahala mo. Okay, tayo. Gusto mo? Mahihain na tayo. And shoutout, you know, Archie, ang pinaka-pogi dito sa West Grame. Ayan, ang ating tropa sa West Grame. Si pareng Archie. Yes, sir. Ano, tabi tayo. Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 13 seconds para sa ating first half. Wala rito ng Team BBC. Laruscain, coach. Pass to Abadilla. Pass to Laruscain. Binigay sa corner. Number 21 for 3. No good. Rebound by Kagawad Ariel Atad. Kagawad Ariel. Binababa ang bola. Oh, what an extra pass. Natibakan connection. Kagawad Ariel to Kagawad Dagul. Ortega. Hindi naman siya doon binigo ni Kagawad Dagul. Laruscain. No good. But this time, rebound ni Cap Sequera. Capinal with a steal by Laruscain. Pass to number 13. Ni Discarte. Ayun na. Kita-kita. Number 13-43, short. Rebound again by Laruscain. Steal by Kagawad Ariel. Kagawad Ariel nagmamadali. 2 against 2. Kagawad Ariel. Back pedal. Pass to Cap Sequera. Wide open shot. In and out. Rebound ng Team BBC. Number 13, di Discarte. Step back to short. Rebound by Capinal. Pass to Kagawad Ariel. To Serrano. Pull up jumper. Yes, sir. Para kay Serrano. Ayan, oh. Batang-bata. Si parang Serrano. Ayan na. That's... Oy, Coach Laruscain. At may sagot doon para sa Team BBC. Time out muna rito ang Team SJ officials. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. Tingnan naman natin ang huddle ng Team SJ official for this timeout. Correction po pala, sorry, 38-24 na po ang ating score. Bola rito ng Team SJ officials. Serrano, stop and pump, no good. Rebound by number 21. Pass to Coach Agawad Laruskain. Para pass number 8 to Laruskain. Bad pass number 19. Kagawad Dagul, no good. Rebound by Kagawad Dagul, miss. Rebound again by Kagawad Dagul. Oy, block by number 21. Good defense there para sa Team BBC. Coach Laruskain, what an extra pass, pull up jumper, miss. Rebound by Serrano. Serrano di diskarte, pass number 14. Number 14 there, derecho, running shot, choosing the board, wala. Rebound by Kagawad Laruskain. Steal by Serrano. And there's a kickball. Kickball daw yan, pre. Kita ka ng ating referee. Time remaining, last 47 seconds. Bola rito ng Team BBC. Kagawad, Owi, Laruskain. Pass to Laruskain for their brothers. Uy. At the post, number 8. Block. Pinigay sa corner. Bang! At may sagot doon ang Team BBC by jersey number 11. Last 22 seconds remaining. Serrano, sorry, that's number 14. Pass to Cap Sequeira. Cap Sequeira di diskarte. Cap Sequeira setting on the play. Cap Sequeira for 3. In and out. Rebound by number 21. 2-1. Laruskain. Oh! No basket. And that's the end of our second quarter official score. And shoutout pala nandiyan si Coach Jules from Team BBC. Ayan, end of the second quarter official score 38-26 in favor of the Team SJ officials. Magbabalik po tayo para sa second half. Don't go away. Maraming pong salamat sa ating syempre, inabati natin